Kani kedai ke Batisi TV, bat pidang pet ya ke kubur baman kasni, belawan rashapi da ke rupa, ringkat bat ke orange Nissan, lom sokpo near Fire Brigade Shillong.
New Nissan Kicks. Bookings open now.
Kakanhon Menteri Kebalasong Jelang haka arterek ubnai no pra arzaka kendai. Kelai keren sani bah halor ke jingdu nong ke surka jela na ke lotri. Na ke jingba miok lom Khajna mentala palat bon Snem. Kumba kalong hadu menta lakat wei Snem kanti baka jela Meghalaya. Ke khemla asyo ban pelong ye ke lotri, bat kini kelawan ra ye ke jingdu lom Khajna ke bakrau ye ke surka jela. Kumta habai keren halor ke Meghalaya Lottery Regulation Rules 2019. Kakanhon Menteri hakani kesngi kal aru ye ke jing menjer halor kani ke jing terwa.
We all know that the state had lost a lot of revenue due to the fact that lottery had not been conducted in the state for the last 11 years, and which is why the government has finally come up with the Meghalaya lotteries rules in order to streamline the process, and this was discussed in the cabinet and the rules have been passed by the cabinet. The Meghalaya Lotteries Regulation Rules 2019 is for both paper and online.